नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. Today we are going to learn the 8th standard unit 1.1. There is a one nice activity which we learn very easily. The name of this activity is introductory activity. There are some words that we see in full form. This activity means the words they give us became a contracted form. How it will do, we will see now. See here, there is some full forms and contracted forms. Now we will start from the full forms of the word and then its contracted form. Everybody see this full page which we are going to learn. One minute. In column number 1, they give us one little sentence, I am busy. And next column, they give us its contracted form. I am. They wrote there I, then apostrophe, then only M. A is dropped there, and then busy. In this way, full form I am, contracted form I apostrophe M. Then second sentence, they are tired. Again contracted form, how it became, they apostrophe, then RE, and then tired. Again in that contracted form, they and R. A is drop again there. In this way, there are so many words which we became contracted form. Now read the third sentence. He is not coming. Is not is the contracted form in this sentence. How it is contracted form? He isn't coming, or he is. He apostrophe and S. Again not, and last one coming. There is two contracted form. isn't and he is. Okay, then next one sentence, you will like it. Its contracted form, you apostrophe then double L, like it. Which letters they drop? W and I they drop, and you will became a contracted form in this sentence. Again, one more example, she will not like it, and its contracted form, she won't like it. How it become? Will not, it means want, WON apostrophe and T. In this way will not become into contracted form. And last one exam, we had been for a trip. There is one example here, we had, how it became? We apostrophe and only D, H and A they drop. We had been for a trip, in this way. Next one, I must not happen again. Must and not become contracted form. Again, see there one example, it mustn't, MUST, N apostrophe and then T. Which letter they drop? O. O letter they drop and became must not. Then that would be fine. Contracted form, that would, THAT apostrophe then D. That would be fine. In this way it became that would contracted form. And last one, do you not like it? This is a question, and in this question they make its contracted form, do you not. This is the different type of sentence. Don't, in this sentence the place of subject move another side, and do and not come together and it become a contracted form, and it become don't you like it. In this way we have need to become a contracted forms of the many other sentences or words. Okay, remaining part of this topic we will see tomorrow. Namaste.